Bring life to your pots with tough, colourful plants that can handle it all. Mandevilla, sun patience, bougainvillea, lavender and white flowering euphorbia are excellent choices for creating eye-catching displays in your garden or patio. These resilient plants are great to plant in pots, making them perfect for any space, big or small. Mandevilla and bougainvillea are fantastic for climbing and draping over trellises, while sun patience and lavender bring bold colour that draws the eye and brightens any area. White flowering euphorbia like diamond frost brings a delicate touch with its clouds of white flowers, perfect for a soft contrast and adding visual interest. To get started, prepare a rich, well-draining soil with a strong foundation for your plants. Use a mix of compost and potting soil to keep roots healthy, and don't forget to feed. Regular feeding with a liquid or granular fertilizer will provide the boost needed for long-lasting flowers and foliage. And remember, proper care is key. Water when the soil feels dry to the touch and avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. With these hardy plants and a little TLC, your pots will stand out throughout the seasons. Find the perfect tough plants for colourful pots and everything else you need at your local GCA garden centre. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find a garden centre near you.